Hello beautiful people. If you know you are a lover of meat pie, come in here, let's know ourselves. Meat pie is one of the most consumed snacks in Nigeria. In fact, if you don't love Nigerian meat pie, I don't know any other snack that you love. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Nigerian meat pie. So guys, if you want to know how to make a perfect Nigerian meat pie, just sit back and keep watching, okay? My name is Jennifer and you are welcome to my kitchen. These are the ingredients I will be using for this recipe. Here I have some carrots, onions, Irish potatoes, curry powder. I will also be adding thyme, no cube, some vegetable oil, scotch bonnet pepper. Here I have some chicken, but you can use any meat of your choice. You can use beef, you can use turkey, as long as it's well blended. And please make sure you remove the bones so I have 1 kg of flour, which I'll be adding just 300 grams. I also have sugar here, but I'll be adding just 3 teaspoons of sugar. I have baking powder, which I'll be adding just 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 250 grams of butter. Okay, so guys, sit back, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to boil the potato, which I'm going to use to make the filling. Boil it until it becomes soft. Okay, then after that I'm going to sieve it, then set it aside. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is to heat up the pan, pour in some vegetable oil, stir fry the onions for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I'm going to put the chicken and then stir fry everything together until the chicken is well cooked. Please make sure you are frying on a low heat so that it doesn't get burnt. I'm going to add some salt to it and some pepper. Okay, like I showed you, I have some habanero pepper which I'll be adding inside. So I'm going to add the salt and the habanero pepper and then fry everything together. Please make sure you fry on a medium heat so that it doesn't get burnt. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to put the carrots. Okay, I'm going to put the carrots and also keep stir frying. Keep stir frying. Then add the thyme, curry powder, and then stir everything together until they are all combined. Okay, so now I'm going to add the Irish potato and stir gently. Stir everything together until they are all combined together. Okay, seasoning powder or curry powder. Add some seasoning powder or curry powder to it, whichever one you have, just add, it's okay. Stir very well so that everything will combine together. Add some water and then cover the pot and continue cooking until they are well cooked. As you can see, the filling is ready. Can you see that? Can you see how it looks? This is the consistency you should be looking out for. So I'm going to allow it to cool down completely before working with it. Please never work with a hot filling, else you mess everything up. Okay? So to make the dough, I'll be using 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. I'm going to leave the measurement of these ingredients in the description box below. Okay, So I'm going to stir it very well until they all combines together. Okay, so I'm going to add 250 grams of butter, then mix gently. Mix it very well until everything combines together. Okay, mix it very well. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. So when it's properly combined, I'm going to add just little water. Okay, just little water. The dough is not meant to be too soft nor too strong. Okay, after kneading the dough, I'm going to transfer it to a plate, then cover it very well. Then after that, I'm going to put it in a fridge and allow it to cool there for 30 minutes before working with it. Okay, as the dough is cooling in the fridge, the next thing I'm going to do is to oil the pan with butter. After spreading the butter on the pan, I'm going to add some flour to it. Okay, like the way I'm doing now. So guys, it's 30 minutes gone and the dough is completely cool as well as the filling. Okay, so I'm going to start working on them now. As you can see, I've already spread some flour on the kneading board. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out some dough and knead it a little. Please do not over knead it so that it doesn't get strong. Okay, so I'm going to start spreading it now. Spread it very well. Just look very well and see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to spread it very well, then add the filling. Okay, add the filling. Just watch and see what I'm going to do. And as for the cutter, and I'll be using the cover of a pot. You can use a meat pie cover. I have a meat pie cover, but I don't want to use it. This is perfect. The cover of this pot is perfect, both the size and everything. So if you have a small pot which you are using, you can use the cover to get this shape. It's very good. Okay, it's very good. In fact, it was even a friend that told me about it. I never knew about it. Okay, the cover of pot is the perfect size for the meat pie. Okay, perfect size for it. So now I'll be using the fork to press it. I'll be pressing it together using the fork. Okay, after putting the filling. So this is what it should look like when you are done. You see the shape is very good. You see how good it looks. You see how attractive it looks. Okay, this is how it should look. So I'm going to repeat this process again. So just watch and see what I'll be doing now. Okay, and please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. I don't know what you are waiting for. Please do well and hit on that red subscribe button below to get subscribed to this channel. Okay, and also do not forget to turn on your notification bell. It is very important, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. Okay, thank you for your support. I really appreciate that. So guys, let's keep going. Okay, watch this video to the end so you can learn how to make a perfect Nigerian meat pie. And also, please share this video, recommend it for your friends, loved ones, family. They will need it. This is festive period and we need to make a mouth-watering snack. So this meat pie is no exception. So guys, this is how you continue to do it till you finish every dough that you have. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to crack one egg. Okay, crack one egg and whisk it very well, which I'll be using it to spread on the meat pie. See, I've already done it. This is what it should look like, so that it will give it that golden color. Then after that, use your fork to make these tiny holes on them. Okay, then put them in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. So my beautiful people, as you can see, the meat pie is ready. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see how yummy it looks? To enjoy this one, you need a bottle of chilled Coke or Fanta. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yes, like this video, like it oh, and also share with your friends. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. It is very important. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Mwah.